Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hello Voyagers, and welcome to Poland, a country that'll captivate your senses and leave you awe-inspired. In this video, we invite you to embark on a virtual journey to the 10 best places to visit in Poland. From the enchanting streets of Warsaw and the medieval charm of Krakow, each destination will unravel a unique story. Get ready for a visual feast as we showcase Poland's rich culture, scenic wonders, and extraordinary heritage. Let's begin our adventure in this mesmerizing land. Number 10. Poznan. For student travelers seeking to connect with Polish students, a visit to Poznan is highly recommended. Renowned as a prominent academic hub and housing Poland's third largest university, this city offers a vibrant atmosphere. Poznan plays a host to various events, such as the annual International Theater Festival held during the summer season. Exploring the city's significant landmarks is a breeze, as the Royal Imperial Route provides an easily navigable path designed specifically for tourists. Sports enthusiasts will find pleasure in visiting the artificial lake of Malta, which features a ski slope, ice rink, and swimming pools, offering a range of activities to enjoy. Number 9. Auschwitz-Birkenau. An excursion to Auschwitz-Birkenau offers an indescribably profound encounter that transcends mere words. The sheer magnitude of this notorious Nazi concentration camp leaves an immediate and lasting impression on visitors as they approach the memorial and museum. Dedicated to honoring the victims of the atrocities committed during World War II, Auschwitz-Birkenau has attracted over 25 million individuals who seek to pay their respects and bear witness to this haunting chapter of history. It's an experience that resonates deeply within the hearts of those who visit, serving as a somber reminder of the immense human suffering endured within these walls. Number 8. Malbork. Malbork, a historic town, is renowned for its 13th century castle constructed by the Knights of the Teutonic Order. This colossal Gothic fortress, Europe's most extensive of its kind, bears the name of the Virgin Mary, the city and castle's patron saint. Remarkably, the castle is composed of 3 interconnected structures, earning it the title of the world's largest brick castle. Spanning a staggering 230 years to complete, the castle unfortunately suffered significant destruction during World War II. However, there is a silver lining, as extensive restoration efforts have successfully revived much of the castle's former grandeur, allowing visitors to marvel at its magnificence once more. Number 7. Wrocław. Wrocław, a delightful destination, possesses a distinctive character shaped by a blend of diverse influences, resulting in a unique ambiance and culture. The city's development has been significantly influenced by Austria, Bohemia, and Prussia, which is reflected in its architectural heritage, prominently showcased by the awe-inspiring market square. Situated on the banks of the Odra River, Wrocław features numerous bridges and charming parks that grace its shores, creating a picturesque setting ideal for relaxation. A visit to the enchanting Cathedral Island is highly recommended, as it offers a captivating experience and adds to the city's allure. Number 6. Tatra National Park. For travelers yearning for picturesque landscapes, Tatra National Park, situated in the southern central region of Poland, presents a veritable feast for the eyes. Since its establishment in 1954, the park has encompassed vast expanses of forests, meadows, and an array of striking rock formations that adorn the Tatra Mountains. Adventurous spelunkers can delight in exploring 6 of the park's 650 caves that are open to the public. Additionally, the park boasts several stunning alpine lakes and a majestic 70-meter-high waterfall. It's worth noting that a similar national park, also named Tatra National Park, can be found in the neighboring part of Slovakia, further emphasizing the allure of this breathtaking region. Number 5. Gdansk. Gdansk, formerly known as Danzig, stands as the largest city in northern Poland and holds a significant status as a major seaport due to its location along the Baltic Sea. Its origins trace back to the 10th century, and throughout its history, Gdansk has experienced a complex and intertwined political journey. It has alternated between being part of Germany and Poland, even serving as a free state for a period before ultimately becoming an integral part of Poland following World War II. Remarkably, the city rebuilt itself after the war, painstakingly restoring its old town, renowned for the iconic Royal Road, once traveled by Polish kings during their visits to the historically significant city. Notably, Gdansk also houses St. Mary's Church, recognized as the largest brick church in the world. Number 4. Białowieża Forest. The Białowieża Forest stands as a vast reminder of the ancient woodlands that once enveloped a significant portion of Europe. Spanning across the border between Poland and Belarus, the forest offers convenient border crossings for pedestrians and cyclists, enabling tourists to explore its wonders. Notably, the Białowieża Forest serves as the sole habitat where European bison roam freely, reminiscent of their presence across the European continent in the past. Alongside these majestic creatures, the forest provides a haven for various other inhabitants, including wolves, lynx, elk, and wild boar, fostering a diverse and thriving ecosystem. Number 3. Warsaw. Warsaw, the capital of Poland, has endured a tumultuous and intricate history, frequently marred by warfare and discord. The city suffered extensive damage during World War II. Nevertheless, it has undergone a meticulous reconstruction process, restoring its medieval splendor. The streets now boast vibrant, brightly colored townhouses, creating an aesthetically pleasing, though somewhat artificial ambiance for leisurely strolls. Warsaw showcases a diverse range of architectural styles, including contemporary cafes and bars that offer exciting discoveries. The city also offers ample outdoor spaces to savor, and with its abundance of restaurants, it proves to be an exceptional destination for food enthusiasts. Number 2. Wieliczka Salt Mine. Situated on the fringes of Krakow, the Wieliczka Salt Mine is an extraordinary destination that should not be missed. Originating in the 13th century, this mine boasts a remarkable history as one of the oldest and longest operating salt mines in existence, ceasing operations in 2007. The site itself unveils an underground city meticulously carved out of rock salt, showcasing remarkable craftsmanship. Notably, a chapel within the mine is renowned for possessing the finest acoustics among all European structures. The mine's allure is further enhanced by an array of ancient salt sculptures, complemented by contemporary works crafted by present-day artists. Number 1. Krakow. Situated near the border of the Czech Republic, this city in southern Poland holds a significant historical status as a former royal capital. Krakow presents a captivating juxtaposition of medieval architecture and a vibrant contemporary nightlife scene. The city's renowned Old Town captivates visitors with its 13th century market square, anchored by the iconic Cloth Hall, an impressive centerpiece. The somber atmosphere of the former Jewish quarter, replete with its synagogues, invites contemplative exploration. Many tourists also visit Krakow to embark on a poignant and essential journey to Auschwitz, an experience that leaves a haunting impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.